Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about switch widget in Android. What is a switch widget? It's a subclass of a view. It's a kind of view. That name itself says it's a kind of switch. Okay, switch widget. Switch will enable user to on or off the state of the button. Switch can have only a two state. We can say that as a check the state or uncheck the state, or we can say that as a on state or off state, or if you have a true or false value, you can use switch to get the status from the user. Okay, now let's see how to create a simple switch in the existing screen. I'm going to add that switch in between this password field and the sign in button. Let's open a tag in the XML file and type switch. This is the switch. Enter, and with of that switch going to be a wrap content. Height also going to be a wrap content. Now I'm going to see the right hand side design part. This is how our switch going to looks like. By default it is disabled. It means this is unchecked. Okay, now what is this? User, when you are giving this field to user, they will not understand what is this, right? So add some text to it so that they can understand. I'm going to add some text to the switch. Please admin. Okay, see, now when user is logging in with this screen, if they are logged in as admin, they will select this one. If they are not logged in as admin, I mean as a normal user, if they are logged in, they have to unselect this one and they will try to log in. Okay, so this is how we will create a switch widget, and in this widget, right, user can interact with that. So let's check the coding part, how to get status of that widget, whether it is checked or unchecked. Go to the corresponding activity file, get the reference to the view. We'll get the reference to the view by find view by id method. Find view by id of what we are going to find? A switch. Switch, what is that id? R dot id dot id. We have not added anything, so go to that switch file, a switch tag, and add one id, admin id. Okay, admin id, and copy this one. Pass this id. It will this method will find that switch widget for you. Save that in a reference variable. Okay, admin id. Now if you want to get status of that switch, right, whether it is selected or not, we can have is checked property. I think yes, see, is checked is there. It will return true or false. If user has checked this one, it will return true. If they have unselected this one, it will return false. Let's see how to do that. Already we have one button in our place. Go to this part, and I will append a string because this is a boolean one. Okay, is checked. Let's run the app and see what's the outcome. And my emulator is starting now. Meanwhile, we'll go to this switch widget, and we'll see what are the properties inside. Same like we can have margin top property. This is very close to enter password field, so add some margin top around 20 dp. So it is looking somewhat better now. And as a part of that, text color we can give. What is the text color? In here, text color I'm going to give like some, okay, for whatever it is, at Android color, some orange is there, blue is there, blue dark is there. Give whatever you want. I'm giving blue color. Okay, is admin? Yes. I think our app is up and running now. See, this is how our app is looking like. We have modified some content. Now let's run the app again and see the updated output. It is installing. Yes, it is launching. See, is admin. Before, if you are logging in as admin, right, type your username, type your password, and I am admin. So select this one and then tap on sign in. When sign in, what will happen? See, this is selected, right? This button is selected, so true is displaying. When I unselect this one, this is not selected, so false is returning. This is how we are creating and using switch widget in Android app, friends. That's all about switch widget. Thank you for watching my video. Let's connect in the next session.